everyone, Amanda here. I'm just coming to share a new journal kit that I've added to my Etsy shop today. I've taken the old one down, I've sold plenty, and I've changed it up a bit and created a new one. So there's 97 pieces in total. I'll leave a description in the I'll leave a link in the description box below. So 97 pieces. The idea of this kit is I have a huge collection of items for journaling, far too many to use myself, and so I've shared some, split them into kits so that you don't have to go out yourself and buy full packs of everything. So that is the kind of theory behind them. So the first thing that I've got is 8 different napkins. Okay, most of these are sourced locally, but as I say, having a little bit of everything means you don't have to then go out and buy full packs. So we've got this one, which is lovely, and obviously they fold out. We've got this lovely one with birds and flowers. We've got a plain one. We've got a floral rose one. We've got a butterfly one, so you can literally fussy cut those butterflies out. Obviously you peel the backing off and then you can decoupage with the napkins. That's the idea of them. Same here, lovely floral one. And same here with the little bugs and dragonfly, etc. And then we've got another floral one. So there's 8 of those. Like I say, they are sourced locally. I tend to buy too much of everything, so I'm splitting it into kits so that you don't have to go out and buy full packs. Right, so then it's like it helps you build your stash up that way, you see. Okay, so here I've got some beautiful doilies. Now I will say that the larger ones, when they are packed, the larger ones are going to have to be folded or else they wouldn't fit. Okay, so these are all patterned doilies. You've got 8 in total, 2 large, no 6 in total, sorry, I beg your pardon, 2 medium and 2 small, and those are beautifully like vintage kind of chintzy, shabby chicy sort of patterns. Okay, so that's those. I'm doing this on my phone, so if it's a bit wavy about it, I am ever so sorry. I've got some tickets. You've got 20 tickets. I've taken those down as a listing in my shop, and you will only get them in the kits now. We've got some of the CD wallets, which are beautiful to alter. You've got some of the bling mesh, just a small amount, but there's 1/2 metre there and 5 rows. Okay, we've got some vintage book pages from my collection. We've got, let me show you what we've got. We've got some ones from a vintage floral book. We've got some from a vintage bird book. That I've gone out and bought, and I'm splitting them up. I think I paid like £10 for that book and like £6 for that book, probably a couple of pounds for another book. So by splitting them into kits, then you're getting a little bit of everything without having to go out and source it. This is vintage dictionary paper, so there's 10 sheets of that all together. And then this is encyclopedia paper. I use this a lot in my journals, and you've got 3 pieces of that. There's some very old vintage music paper. They are large sheets. I have folded them because they're massive. Okay, and you're getting 2 of those. Okay, then we've got some pre-cut, and these are, I think these are tea-stained tags. You've got 4 of those ready to decorate, already done. You've got some index cards, which are great for altering. They're really good if you decoupage one of the napkins on or add some book pages. So you've got 4 small and 3 large. You've got a brown gusseted paper bag. So you can turn these into stuffed paper bags, put a journal in, decorate that, turn that into a pocket and stuff it full of your journal makes. That's what that's for. You've got 4 of these striped bags. These are awesome to put in journals. I love them. We've got another 4 doilies. These are just the plain white ones. There are 4 there. We've got some glassine bags. Okay. Lovely little size. We've got some little money envelopes. You've got 4 of those. The full list is on my Etsy. I've listed in full everything that you get in. We've got some of these wage packets. I think there's 3 of those. And then we've got some of the larger brown paper bags. You can stamp on these. They're brilliant. Really cool. So there's 97 pieces there. of things to help you build your journaling stash up. Okay, whether you like vintage style, shabby chic style, whatever, these are all great journal fillers, help you build up your collection without having to go and buy heaps and heaps and heaps. Very reasonably priced, free postage in the UK. There is some postage for outside of the UK, I'm sorry. I can only budget for free postage in the UK. So check out my Etsy. The link's in the description box below, and I've also got I've just been sorting. I'll give you a quick look. I've just been sorting some lace kits out today, so there'll be some small lace kits suitable for journaling going up soon as well. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.